What's up, YouTube? So I'm kind of doing a last minute vlog. I was gonna do this on a different date, but I'm already in Target, so I might as well just do it while I'm here. We kind of Christmas shopping. Let me show y'all this tree. This Christmas tree. They don't have it. Bummer. But we already got a tree at the house. But it's a car meet on Saturday. Today's Wednesday, so I'm gonna be trying to find some wrap so I could wrap the hood of my car. Christmas time, gotta get in the spirit. I wanted to do the whole light thing that people been doing on TikTok and stuff, but I'm not really trying to mess up my paint. My paint already not that good, so I don't want to mess it up further. So yeah, stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? So it's a different day than the last time y'all see me, but yeah, it's a different day than the last time y'all see me. I'm going to pick up my little brother right now. 3 o'clock came so fast, but I did go to sleep mad late last night, so I woke up mad late this morning. But yeah, we finna go ahead and get this stuff ready, my car and everything for tomorrow. That's your car. She sounds decent. Yeah, I'm just finna run some errands. I'm gonna wrap my hood with some wrapping paper that y'all probably seen that earlier. If not, I'm probably putting it in right here. I was saying I'm gonna do some errands and then we're gonna get the car washed. I got some other stuff I need to go pick up my little brother. Put the wrapping paper on, buy tape for that. A little grocery shop, get some gas because I'm almost on E. And yeah, no fit for real today because I didn't feel like wearing pants and I'm doing laundry, so this is all you get. But let's get into it. It took like 30 minutes, which is crazy because we live 10-15 minutes away. But I guess it's Friday, people trying to get out of town, go to the city, have fun. So maybe that's why, but yeah, ridiculous. So I was like 15 minutes late picking him up and I left 15 minutes early. Not early, but I left 15 minutes. Y'all get what I'm trying to say, I hope. I don't know. And now he want to start whining. Just a brat for no reason. I didn't do anything to him. Send help, please. But yeah, we going to get gas because if you could see that right there, 13 miles till empty. I got paid today, and usually I don't go nowhere. Like after I get off of work, but I've been driving a lot and I've been pushing it, so run out of gas. But I'll see y'all when we get gas.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police.
Get real clean and make sure you got you a towel. You almost did a better job than me. Look, we got this fixed up. If you know from my previous videos, I got in a little minor accident and it was scratched. Now you can't even tell unless you get close up. I bought some paint off of Amazon, BMW paint match paint, so it matched pretty good. I didn't put a clear coat over it, so when you get close you can tell, because I wanted to sand it down and everything, but it started getting cold and I'm just lazy, so I didn't go to the store to buy the sandpaper. But once I sand that down, it'll probably be pretty much perfect. But yeah, it's washed. I'm finna go buy some tape, probably painter's tape just so it don't mess up the coating on my hood and everything. And then we could go ahead and get this done. When summer come back around, I'm definitely gonna have to go and get. You could kind of see right here better on camera. I tried to fix like a little paint thing right there, and it got smudged. But yeah, when summer comes, I'm definitely getting me a polish and everything, and the paint is gonna look immaculate. I don't even know if I want to wrap the car because when it's clean, white looks so beautiful, bro. Like white is probably the best color you could get on any car because it always looks good when it's clean. But the only downside is when it's dirty, it looks dingy, like an old white t-shirt. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. So it is another day. Fortunately, unfortunately, yesterday I didn't get to do what I was trying to do because I have my little brother and he was not cooperating, so I couldn't really go into stores and everything when I'm not listening. So I'm just getting out of work. The beat started at 6:30. It's an hour away from my house. I work 30 minutes from my house. I gotta go change and shower, everything like that. But after that, we're gonna be on the way to the meet. I did not get to do the hood because I didn't get to go to the stores that I wanted to go to get the tape and everything. So I'm gonna try and do that as well. Um, yeah, but the next time y'all see me, it's probably gonna be at the meet, or if I do the hood, it'll be to show you the hood before we get to the meet. So I'll see y'all. Changed location twice, but I end up hopping in line. We going to this gas station right here, which is most definitely getting shut down. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the phone back out. You hear shit? You talking about cause the lines? Bro, it do not get clean for real.
Stop the cap.
Scott. That's pretty much everything. All right, so some people leaving. Oh my God, that taser is fucking crazy, bro. But it's still people here. Look, police right there. Time to go.
Time to run, guys.
I'm waiting on somebody to come, so I'm not gonna leave her. Yeah, I'm gonna just go to my car and wait till she come. But yeah, we'll see y'all in a second. Well, I love coming to stuff like this because one, the thrill of it, especially when they don't have permission, so we gotta go from meet to meet and just driving with a whole bunch of people who love to do the same thing that you do, which is just drive your car and work on your car. People got the same passions and stuff. And then you meet people with, obviously everybody got other stuff they like to do outside of one thing, outside of cars. So you get to talk to people, see what other type of stuff they like. You find out new stuff. And then especially like bigger meets like this, and it's not like just a small town meet, then, and it's not just a small meet, you could talk to people with better cars than yours and that are in a better position than you, and then you can ask them for advice and everything like that. But you could talk to people who doing better than you in life and ask them for advice, life advice, whether it's work, just life in general, where they was at when they were your age, because sometimes they didn't even get to the place they were until they were like 30, 25 and older and stuff, and I'm 21. And it's like a lot of people, when you younger in your 20s, you be like, dang, I feel like I should be here. And then you talk to people and you be like, oh, he didn't get there until he was 25, he didn't get there until he was 30. So it just really give you a chance to see how other people got to where they are, and it's just motivational. It make me want to get my stuff because I did real estate school. I passed my class and everything, so now I just gotta get my license and study for the test. That's it.
Bro, he recording everybody back. Hi.
Gosh. Ooh, he's scraping. Yeah. Bro, that nigga was on the highway. Y'all see the popos right there? That unmarked car, I had to hit my brake. These bikes don't got plates and undercover right there. I need all your portrait videos. I mean, yeah.
I ain't got that many though.
I'll just make a TikTok out of it.
Like up and down or skateboard. Like this or like this.
Like that. Everybody catches the lighter, bro. Hey, don't hit us.
She hung up. Damn. I feel like I'm in a big seat. He enjoy it.
All right, y'all. So we back basically home, taking pictures, taking videos. saying our goodbyes. You have fun?
Yes, I did.
You have fun?
Hell yeah. Recording.
What time you going to Mexico for?
Nigga, just say we went, nigga. Let's get you cut out, nigga. Where do we go?
We went to Mexico with the Mexicans.
Mexico. We took a trip to Mexico. But, I'll see. Camaro right there. Stinger. My car, of course. And then we got the Infinity right there. I need a gimbal so it can be stabilized. But yeah, bro. The driver of this car, look, the driver of this car right here, she drive crazy as fuck, bro.
What'd you say?
I said you drive crazy.
I'm the biggest, the largest. Don't ever fucking forget it. In a fucking 4-cylinder. Nobody fucking with me.
With her
With your
5'4" self.
daddy.
How tall is you? 5'4"?
Fucking with me.
You 5'4"?
Trying to tell. 5'2". You're not fucking with me. You're not fucking with me. I can honestly say that. No tune, the shit is stock. The biggest, the largest.
I was passing her though, so she not talking about me, but she talking about y'all.
What did you just say?
I said I passed you.
No, what did you just
Did I
say?
not?
No,
Did I not?
The time that you passed me is when I slowed down. Know that.
Cause she was already ahead of me when we started. Don't cap. You were ahead of me from the beginning.
No. When you passed me, I slowed down. The nigga pulled the most white line shit ever. This nigga was this close to hitting the fucking Honda. This close. I'm not hitting that shit. I know how long my motherfucker car is.
I was not gonna hit it.
You don't like that.
When I be in that driver's seat, me in the car is one. Stop the cap. I'm the best driver over here.
Very close. Come on now.
When we going to K1 speed?
Hold on.
When we go to
Okay,
K1
I need
speed?
you to say it on the
I'm the best driver.
Who won that?
Me.
Niggas wanna lie on camera.
We need to go to K1 speed.
The only
Bro, we need a-
nigga in this lineup that's closely remotely fucking with me is J. Cole. Come on now. Come on now.
That nigga car is cheating though.
We know that though. We know that though.
Barely.
The only time you
Barely.
was able to fuck
Just
with
wait
me
till I get
is
my
when
tune.
I
Wait till I get a tune.
slowed
Wait till I get a
down. When I
tune.
slowed down, but hear what you gotta say. Your shit gotta be tuned to fuck with me.
No, it needs to be tuned.
No, you gotta do some shit to your shit to fuck with mine. Know that.
No.
Know that.
I just need
Know
to get
that.
the bench unlocked. You do too. If you get a tune and I get a tune, my shit's gonna be better than
But my
yours.
shit stopped and you're not fucking with me. My shit stopped and you're not
Okay, y'all,
fucking with me.
video over.
Yeah, video over.